Good morning. Hey, how are you? Listen, today I'm going to make some beef stroganoff in the crock pot. Look at that. Beautiful beef stew. I'm going to cut this up smaller, mix it with my seasoning, get it going. Give me a second. Now my beef stew meat is cut up smaller, and I'm going to put this seasoning mix right over the top of this and just mix it in real quick. I'm going to be putting this crock pot on low and cook it for about 6 hours, maybe longer. You could do it on high for 4 hours, but I'm going to go with low. Just cook it low and slow, and it should be nice and tender. Wow, that smells really good. And I'm going to throw this right in the crock pot after I get it mixed in here a little bit. And I cut this down into smaller cubes. And this is going to be great, I'm telling you. We'll be putting this over noodles later. I'm going to use these noodles. I'm not going to put the noodles in the crock pot. I'm going to cook them separate. I imagine you could do that, but that's not what I'm going to do. All right, good enough. Put these right down in here. All of that in there. Then I'm going to add my cream of mushroom soup. I'm using a large can because I'm going to be making 2 packs of noodles, and I want to make sure I have enough sauce. And then later I'll be adding a little milk to this, and at the very end I'll add some sour cream and stir it up. This is going to cook all day. This smells wonderful, by the way. So all of this in here. There's mushrooms in here, and you could add more mushrooms if you wanted that many. I have a couple people that don't care that much for mushrooms, so I'm just going to go with this. So I'm going to put this right in the crock pot on high for about 6 hours. And then we'll come back when it's ready. Not high, low for 6 hours. If you're cooking it on high, about 4 or 5 hours. Hey, so I'm going to add some milk in here because I want more sauce for my noodles. I don't want to run short, and I don't want to thin the sauce way out. So what I'm going to do is take my milk and add some cornstarch to it. So make sure it doesn't get too thin. It'll help to thicken it up. And I'm putting, I don't know, just right close to 2 tablespoons of cornstarch in there. And it has to cook a little bit longer before the meat gets tender. See, cornstarch. So I'm going to add this in. Give it a good mix. Now I'm going to add this in here. I did turn my crock pot up on high because I actually need it to get done sooner than originally planned. And I actually warmed this milk just a little bit in the microwave to make sure it's not cold. I didn't want to put cold milk in a hot crock pot. So I'm just going to add this in. And then it'll cook a little while longer, and this sauce will be nice and creamy and not too watery. It'll thicken up some. It's perfect right now. I just didn't have enough of it, so I need it to be a little bit more for my noodles. So we'll let this continue to cook a while longer, and I'll come back when my noodles are done. Oh man, look at this. This is done. My noodles are, some of my noodles are done. And beautiful. Just beautiful. I'm going to add some of this on here. Get some more meat on there. This smells amazing. Look at that. And I'm going to try this. You guys really got to try this. This is so good and so easy to make. I'll see you next time.